The nuclear-powered aircraft carrier USS Ronald Reagan arrived in the South Korean port of Pusan on Friday ahead of the two countries' joint military exercise that aims to show their strength against growing North Korean threats. The Allies this year have revived their large-scale military drills that were downsized or shelved in previous years to support diplomacy with Pyongyang, or because of COVID-19, responding to North Korea's resumption of major weapons testing and increasing threats of nuclear conflicts with Seoul and Washington. The North Korean threat is also expected to be a key agenda when U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris visits South Korea next week after attending the state funeral in Tokyo of slain former Japanese Prime Minister. North Korea also passed a new law that enshrined its status as a nuclear power and authorized the preemptive use of nuclear weapons over a broad range of scenarios where the country or its leadership comes under threat. The diplomats reaffirmed the U.S. commitment to defend South Korea in the event of a nuclear war with the full range of its military capabilities, including nuclear. The Allies also maintained their months-old assessment that North Korea is gearing up to conduct its first nuclear tests since 2017 and discussed stern countermeasures to such an action, the ministry said.